I found the perfect bulk hair for mini twist that is available in all natural hair types. So let's unbox and install this hair from HOTBRAIDS that I'm so excited about. It came with brushes, spray bottles, and lots of different texture samples from 3A all the way to 4C. HOTBRAIDS did not play when it comes to packaging this product because it came with a tote bag and a headscarf for your styling needs. Now it's time for the real deal, the actual bulk hair. These are 5 different textures that comes with the natural twist, and I'll be showing you how each textures look after they're twisted. That way you can easily choose the right texture that matches your natural hair. Bundles came in a set and I got it in 4C, and it's time for me to do the install. All you need is a comb and your favorite braiding jam. Choosing the right hair texture is very important, so make sure you match your natural hair type from 3A all the way to 4C. For the install, start by parting your first section from ear to ear and clean your part up with your jam. To achieve clean parts, make sure you're using a precise sharp comb. The next section is going to be in the center of your head, which is going to divide your left from your right. Always clean your parts with the jam to make it very clean and precise. Here I'm going to start pre-sectioning my hair because that would help me with my speed and to make my part very even. I pre-parted 6 sections on my left side and 5 sections on my right side. For the most natural look, I would not be using too much hair where it's too thick or bulky. It would be just enough to cover my natural hair and to also give me a natural look. Whenever you're doing your hair yourself, it's always more challenging, so take your time and you'll get it just right. Now I'm starting my first braid, so I took the extensions and grip it around my small section. I'll braid it 3 times to the base to secure it, and then I'll start twisting my way down. I'll keep my grip firm, not too tight, so I don't put too much tension on my scalp. This hair is so soft, so it makes it very easy to twist and give it a very nice natural look when it's all done. These are the exact steps I'll repeat throughout my entire head to create the most natural bouncy mini twist. first rut the back. I like to start by parting straight across, keeping each section as even as possible. Since I'm doing this by myself, I don't have a mirror or anything like that. I'm just using my hands and feeling it all out. The goal isn't perfection, it's consistency. Once the section feels right, I clip the rest out of the way and then I start braiding. At this point, I'll be adding in some braiding here like this piece to add some length. I started by placing a small piece right where my natural hair thins out, and I'm blending it as I twist down. I love the fact that they have different texture. This is their 4A 4B texture. I'll open it up to show you exactly what this texture looks like out of the bundle. It is very curly. It have a nice natural curl pattern to it. This is the 4B 4C, and this would definitely match more natural hair. If you have thicker afro hair, this is definitely your match. And I cannot stress how soft these hair textures are. This is the 3A 3B. Absolutely love it. It have more of a wave pattern. It is so soft. This is how it looks like out of the bundle. Not too curly, more on the wavy side. This is the 3B3C, very curly and natural looking as well. And this is more on the curlier side. The 3C4A is what I have in my hand right now. This have more of a deeper curl. Just look at how beautiful this is. I'm curious to see how this 3C4A is gonna look on my hair. It have a tighter curl, so we're gonna braid this for an example to see how it actually looks. This is so cute. Oh my god. 4C, 3C, 4A. The texture that I'm using is the 4C texture, and all 5 packs was used in my head to give it a full bouncy look. I love how soft these are. They're so soft, you don't have to use a lot of products with it. I love it. And that's it. I've finished all the twists. I'm about to snip the ends off and lay my edges. Of course, everything feels lightweight, natural, and super soft. Now, if you know, you know, edges would always complete the look. And once your edges are done, you just gotta go right into styling. What I love the most about mini twists is how versatile they are. You can wear them down, put them in a bun, or style them however you like. They're low maintenance, but still look polished and very well put together. Aren't these styles cute? I am so in love with this hair. Super soft, super natural, and just gives such an elegant look. I decided to put it in a cute updo and adding a scarf to complete the look. I love this combo. It's given effortless but still intentional. It's so perfect, especially for days when you don't want your hair out but you still want to look good. This scarf just adds even more beauty to this hairstyle than it was already. All the details for this hair would be linked in my bio, and you can check out their website at www.hotbraids.com. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. See you next time.